If you have difficulties in listening, you are not alone. This is one of the most common problems for English learners. It's frustrating and embarrassing when you can't understand spoken English. But in this lesson, I'm going to explain why it's so difficult and teach you how to improve. Listening to English and successfully understanding it is difficult for three reasons. First, many English words are pronounced differently from their written form. Second, when native speakers talk fast, we link the words together. Finally, too little practice. Most students read too much and don't listen to enough English. But remember that babies and young children learn English by listening first and reading later. So, English listening practice is essential. Okay, now that you know why listening is difficult, here is how to improve it. There are two ways: practicing every day and practicing the right way.